And even as political parties demand that the Prime Minister break his silence on Dadri, NDTV seen a note from the Prime Minister's office wanting state governments to consider a cow slaughter bill which can be enacted by all states.
The Prime Minister wants his home state Gujarat's cow slaughter bill to be considered as a model bill.
The message is clear from the highest office of this country. Explore the possibility of requesting state governments to enact their own cow slaughter ban bill and use the Gujarat bill as a model. The note from the Prime Minister's office assumes significance, especially in the aftermath of the horrific killing at Dadri in Uttar Pradesh, even though the note was written before the incident. However, the Animal Husbandry Ministry, dealing with this subject at the centre, says they have no idea.
Opportune time at this stage to do so.
I don't know about this. My ministry did not get this notice which you are saying.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi, during his Lok Sabha election campaign, had made the banning of export of meat an issue. The government now plans to set up laboratories at Mumbai ports to make sure that the buffalo meat being exported is not actually cow meat.
Thinking about a possibility for set up a laboratory on the airport, in the port, Bombay port maybe, to check is there any irregularity in meat export and which type of animals meat are exported.
The Congress party has supported cow slaughter ban in some states and will have to walk a tightrope on the PMO's suggestion for states to consider banning cow slaughter. Banning cow slaughter isn't going to be an easy task, and the Prime Minister's office realizes that. Clearly, it's within the domain of the state government. But as the Prime Minister himself made it clear, he would like the Gujarat model to be followed suit. With camera person Vijay Singh Patwal, Sunil Prabhu, NDTV.